I just feel like eating Friso Go because of how sweet. Ah, my mother rejected it. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Ada, a YouTuber based in Delta State, Nigeria. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. You're welcome to Ada's series. Please consider subscribing to this channel. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you all for always stopping by to watch my videos each time I post a new video. In today's video, I'm here to talk about 4 most popular baby series here in Nigeria. If you're a first-time mom, you're a mom to be, expectant mom, I think this video is for you. Please, we'll be right back. Don't go anywhere.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Number 1 cereal that we are going to be talking about in this video is Cerelac. Hey, Obonge Cerelac. I think Cerelac is the most senior among all the cereals presently in Nigeria. I think Cerelac has been in existence before I was born. It's possible. I love Cerelac so much because it's so smooth and of course it's so sweet. Cerelac is very sweet too. See, any cereal that doesn't contain milk inside is not for me. It's not for me because I cannot come and buy cereal and buy milk at the same time. So I love Cerelac a lot, even though my baby didn't enjoy Cerelac. I introduced it when she was 6 months old. I first of all got the sachet one. I think the one they sold around the 70 or 100 naira, I can't remember again. So I bought that one to test if she would like it. Of course, she enjoyed it, and the way she was licking mouth, I said, okay now. I went and bought the big container, which is the big size. It's like the Cerelac has different sizes. It has the medium size and the big size. So I bought the big size. Initially, she was eating it, enjoying it, but all of a sudden, I don't know, she just changed and stopped eating the Cerelac. I was told that maybe I bought the Nigerian made, that I should try out the foreign one because Cerelac has Nigerian made and foreign made, which I don't see any more different. I think the only difference is that Nigerian made is not smooth as the foreign made. But once you add hot water inside it, it will just melt. They are still the same. So it makes no difference because both of them contains milk. So they said it's because I bought Nigerian made for her that I should try out the foreign made. Okay, I bought the foreign made. She rejected it as well. So that was when I now realized that she doesn't like Cerelac. But to me, I love Cerelac. In fact, the remaining one in the container was the one that finished it. Every morning I will make it and drink. You guys, Cerelac is so sweet. In case if you are looking for a cereal to go for, to introduce for your child, to introduce for your baby, I recommend Cerelac. And it comes in different flavors. I think it has rice flavor, wheat flavor, and maize. Yes, it has maize. I think maize is the most common one in the market, and it also has a mixed fruits. Yes, Cerelac has mixed fruit flavor also. So you just know the one that your baby will enjoy the most and get it for him or her because Cerelac is enjoyable. But another cereal I want to talk about today in this video is the Obonge. Hey, this particular cereal, you guys, that thing is not even cereal, that thing is milk. No other cereals than Friso Gold. Hey, even as big as I am, I will just sit like this. Friso Gold will just be hungry. I'll just feel like to go and eat. I'll just feel like eating Friso Gold because of how sweet. It's so creamy, so sweet, so tasty. In fact, with Friso Gold there is no baby that wouldn't like to eat Friso Gold, because when my baby rejected Cerelac, I bought a Friso Gold for her. That small container doesn't last more than 3 days. But what was 3 days? 3 days is just, it will just be remaining gacha inside, just small inside. And then, I don't know, it doesn't have the bigger container. It only comes in that medium, small size container, which is about either 400 grams or thereabouts, and it doesn't last because of how sweet. The babies enjoy Friso Gold. So if you are looking for a cereal for your baby here in Nigeria, I recommend Friso Gold. Just that you as a mom will be eating it with the baby, because me, I cannot come alive for people here. I used to eat Friso Gold. Like each time I'm making that Friso Gold for my baby, I used to add my own portion inside. Because I can't resist it. I think it also comes in different flavors. Okay, 2. Yes, Friso Gold comes in 2 flavors, which is the rice flavor and the wheat flavor. So I'm talking about the rice flavor because I didn't use the wheat flavor, but I know they have wheat flavor also. But the one I used is a rice flavor, which is I think that's the sweetest. So Friso Gold for your baby. So another baby cereal that I'm here to talk about is Nutriben. Yes, Nutriben is also a popular baby cereal here in Nigeria. People love it so much because it's also very smooth, very milky, and it's also affordable. Yes, I don't know if they are the same company with Nutribon, but I don't know, but people love Nutriben so much, even though I didn't get to use Nutriben, but that was what my friend used for her baby, and the baby loves it so much. So Nutriben is also a very nice baby cereal that I also recommend for your baby. It also comes in, I think, 2 flavors: Nutriben cereals and 4 fruits, and also Nutriben breakfast. But the most popular one in the market is a Nutriben 8 cereals and 4 fruits. That's the one my friend used for her baby. I think the Nutriben breakfast is from 12 months. Yes, while the Nutriben 8 cereals and fruit is from 6 months old. The Nutriben 8 cereals and 4 fruits contains so much cereals inside of it, so many flavors: wheat, oats, rice, maize, a lot of them. It's a blended of different flavors that your baby needs. So, and it also contains milk as well. Nutriben for your baby. Another one in my list is Nutribon. So when my baby rejected Cerelac, so someone recommended the Nutribon for me, which I tried out, but I did not really like the Nutribon because it doesn't contain milk. Number one reason why I hated it. It doesn't contain milk, and you have to add enough quantity of milk inside it before it will be sweet for your baby to enjoy. I think it sold around either 800 or 900 naira. I can't remember because that was last year. So I can't really remember how much I bought it then. So I bought it for my baby. I tried it out. My mother rejected it. In fact, she didn't even drink it up to 2 times. She didn't even take it up to 2 times. So I ended up drinking it myself and even when I was drinking it, I noticed the reason why my baby didn't like Nutribon. Nutribon is very popular. People like it maybe because it's so cheap, it's so affordable, but it's not for me. Nutribon is not for me. So I think Nutribon also comes in different flavors as well. Nutribon rice, Nutribon banana, Nutribon apple, Nutribon oats, Nutribon maize, and multi-grain, which I think is the most common among all the flavors. So you can as well get it for your baby. So if you're looking for a cheapest cereal for your baby here in Nigeria, you should go for Nutribon. Nutribon is very cheap and it comes in a very large quantity. The one I bought for my baby for 900 naira, then it comes in a large quantity. Like, it's very big. I think if your baby eats well, it can last up to 1 week. But if your baby is not that kind of baby that eats well, it can last more than that. So Nutribon is very affordable and the quantity is also very good. So if you are trying to economize your baby food. So these are the most common baby cereals here in Nigeria that I know about. I know that there are other baby cereals that are also in the market, but these ones that I just listed are the most common that you can easily see in the market and also in a supermarket for your baby. If there is anyone you know about that is also very good, very sweet, that I didn't mention in this video, you can as well drop it in the comment section and let others know about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.